Here at GreenTech, we hope you're thoroughly enjoying your pureAir product and all of the benefits it brings to your home. Just like with any air handler, it needs to be regularly cleaned and maintained to ensure longevity and peak performance. We'll show you how. Cleaning the pureAir Sport is simple and easy. First, wipe down the exterior of the pureAir Sport with a slightly damp cloth. It's not advised to use anything other than plain water when cleaning the unit, so as not to harm the finish. Use compressed air or a vacuum cleaner hose to remove any dust or fibers inside of your pureAir Sport, and you're done. We recommend that you perform this procedure when you notice the unit is getting dirty to ensure that your pureAir is giving you the desired results for years to come. As always, thank you for being a valued GreenTech customer. We're so thankful that you choose to keep your home clean with us. For more information, please visit our website at greentechenv.com.